So we find Tammy is cleaning up some of the grounds on a support bracket that's going to hold the new waterproof heavy-duty 25 amp fuse that we got from IPD, and it also holds the step-down relay, and that bracket there she's working on also supplies the grounds for the driver's side headlight, parking light, turn signal. So she's polishing up all the grounds, which is always a good thing to do. Not only that, she's drawing power from her halo bolt. Look at that puppy, just putting it right out there. Driving her Dremel through a 110 outlet. Beautiful job, Tambra. Say hi to the folks. Hi,
everyone.
Right on.
Now I'm going to get to the relay housing bracket.
There you go. Look at her go. Look at her go. That gets mounted to that bracket gets mounted to the bracket she just did.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. 90% of the time, it's all about the grounds. Having a nice shiny ground. Good ground. Completing the system. The one she's doing right there is the headlight ground for the high and low beam. That's just a little ring attachment there that just gets screwed onto the body. They get grounded through there. And that little guy right there she's doing, that's the turn signal and the park light. So there you have it. It's one of the holes that big bracket mounts to. Mounts right to the body there. Real good.
Right, and now to the screws.
Right on. Good job.
Still in my polished screws.
Absolutely. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.